Hi, happy Monday. So, I wanted to take a moment and thank you guys for the love that you have shown on my peacock magnets. So far, I've painted and sold about 45 magnets, and I've just received an order for 5 more magnets. So, that brings up the total up to 50 peacock magnets. So, I wanted to share this little milestone with you guys, and I have decided to paint those 5 magnets today with you. So, come on, let's paint it together. Here are the pretty bases. So first step is to paint the base. Let me grab my flat brush and black acrylic paint. I'm going to paint it throughout the surface, on the edges and also on the back side. Okay, it's done here. Now on the edges. Let me paint the front and the edges for all the bases first. And once they dry, I'm going to paint the back side. And I will repeat this step for about 2 to 3 times. So basically, I will apply 2 to 3 coats for a good finish and for longer durability. Today is not a busy day for me. Today is actually a rest day. So for the last 5 days, I was busy with my friend. I was helping her out with her exhibition workshop. So she had her stall there and I was helping her out with workshops. So today is a rest day as I have a class tomorrow, but I couldn't rest. I was getting restless. I was organizing my wardrobe. I was decluttering my wardrobe actually, and I suddenly remembered I have to paint peacock magnets, and after having my lunch I just sat down and I started painting. So I'll paint for a while and then maybe rest. Front and edges are done. Now I will paint the back side also. This is so calming. To make the drying process quick, I'm going to use a dryer to dry the paint. Somebody is drilling upstairs. Okay, now it's silent, but the moment I start talking, the sound will see. This mic is not helping. I have to get a better one. Okay, I was telling I'm going to use a dryer. Okay, they're all dry now. We can start painting. Let's paint. I'm not painting them one by one. I'm going to simultaneously paint on all of them like this. So what I meant is I'm not going to finish one magnet and then come to the next. So I'm going to repeat the pattern on all of them and then go to the next one. That way it is quicker for me at least. Whenever I work on multiple pieces, I work with at least 3 to 4 pieces at a time. I'm drying them in between layers also because it's a very small base when you want to do it at one go. when you're doing pattern on this side, there is a possibility of smudging on the other side. So you know what I'm talking about. Well, peacocks can fly, so they did. I should have held them together before drying. Now you can slowly see the peacocks coming to life. They already look so royal. Now comes the most satisfying part, the strokes. Time to add golden dots. They're done. All 5 are done. Let me show you. Look at these pretty peacocks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments if you love these peacock magnets. Okay, that's it for today. See you all next Monday. Bye.